For over 100 years, humans have been conducting commercial production of hydrocarbons. Oil and gas demand has been growing each year. Majority of the known fields are becoming actively developed, their reserves will be depleted in the short term. Thus, exploration of new fields and increasing the development efficiency of the known fields are becoming the most important objectives of the oil industry. Since oil and gas became key resources of the global economics, technologies of reserves exploration have been continuously improving and advancing. At the present time, Bashneftegeofizika, a leading Russian geophysical company with 80 years of experience, has the world-class cutting-edge technologies available.
Bashneftegeofizika – time-proof geophysics. Bashneftegeofizika is an integrated group of companies uniting the geophysical service and instrumentation development enterprises.
It is one of the biggest Russian enterprises in terms of scopes and types of work performed. The company successfully performs geological survey projects of any complexity or exploration of hydrocarbon fields on the territory of Russia as well as abroad. The company's key to success are highly qualified personnel, unique experience and advanced technologies. The company employs 6,000 specialists who are skilled professionals. The company has representative offices in major oil and gas producing centers of Russia, in the eastern and western Siberia, the Nenets Autonomous Area, and in the Volga-Ural region, which allows meeting any operational challenges expeditiously and efficiently. The head office of the company is located in Ufa, the capital of Bashkortostan. Bashneftegeofizika provides the complete cycle of oil and gas services to its clients, develops and manufactures a wide range of geophysical equipment, instrumentation and specialized machinery. Seismic survey at the moment is one of the main methods of hydrocarbon fields exploration. Arctic deserts, tundra and forest tundra of Eurasia, the foothills of Ural, permafrost, swamps of western and eastern Siberia, prairies and sand deserts. Everywhere, in all types of natural and climatic environment, our company performs seismic survey activities. During conducting seismic survey, the state-of-the-art equipment and specialized machinery of leading Russian and international manufacturers is used. The company's production capacity allow executing unique rich-azimuth seismic survey projects with scope up to 1,500 square kilometers by forces of one geophysical crew for one surveying season. This provides for time-efficient acquisition of comprehensive and reliable field information as a basis for effective development.
High-capacity computational centers are arranged in the field environment for operational evaluation of the obtained data, selection of optimal sequence of processing procedures, and on-site processing.
At the same time, at the Interpretation Center, priori geological and geophysical information is being collected and a project database for time-efficient execution of the interpretation stage is being built. The experience of end-to-end seismic survey projects implementation demonstrates that when fieldwork, data processing and interpretation are conducted by forces of one company, it is possible to obtain geological results within 7 to 8 months from the start of the field works, and not in 1.5 to 2 years, as it happens when different contractors perform work stages separately. Processing and interpretation of the obtained geological and geophysical information is performed on the basis of a unified interpretation center equipped by state-of-the-art software and hardware systems. Highly qualified team of geologists and geophysicists is capable of meeting a wide range of geological challenges related to hydrocarbon field exploration and development. Based on results of research and development and regional works, the most promising sites are revealed for licensing and prospecting works. (2D and 3D detailed works based on huge seismic data sets processing, structural interpretation, amplitude attributes analysis in package with well logging and vertical seismic profiling data allow building a detailed subsurface model most precisely representing the subsurface composition of hydrocarbon fields. Such models allow minimizing drilling risks and serve a basis for most effective fields exploration and development. For time-efficient well path drilling control and conducting subsurface navigation in the producing reservoir, our company offers telemetry, technical and processing support of horizontal and directional well drilling, including logging while drilling. For conducting of these operations, leading world manufacturers' equipment and software is used, which has been well proven in Russian conditions. All operating crews are coordinated by the specialists of the operational center, stay in constant contact with the customer's representatives, and promptly react to drilling performance dynamics, making joint decisions on adjusting the well path depending on changing subsurface conditions. Geosteering and logging while drilling provide for significant increase in efficiency of well targeting and minimize the risks of emergencies and off-nominal situations, and ultimately allow decreasing the drilling cost and reducing the well commissioning timeline. For study of geological cross-section exposed by drilled in-well definition of producing intervals, reservoirs testing and surveys during fields development, Bashneftegeofizika offers a wide range of production log tests and downhole wireline works. The company's specialists have broad experience of conducting most complicated operations, such as surveys of horizontal wells with horizontal section length exceeding 1 kilometer, using stiff wireline, coal tubing, and jointly with downhole tractor.
The company's assets include more than 150 logging crews and 90 mud logging stations outfitted with state-of-the-art equipment. A unified dispatcher service is in operation. Its specialists receive requests for conducting service, coordinating work of all the crews and divisions in order to provide for harmonious and uninterrupted teamwork. The Unified Center for Data Processing immediately delivers the results of geophysical service on a round-the-clock basis. Today we're dealing with a complete range of production objectives throughout the whole operating life of a well. Our successful work is based upon the high qualification of our specialists and the cutting-edge homegrown technology of well logging equipment and specialized machinery. In our company, a team of engineering designers deals with development and manufacturing of geophysical instrumentation and equipment. Its high scientific potential and accumulated experience allows manufacturing over 460 items of specialized and unique instruments and equipment for geophysical service of wells at all stages of their drilling and operation. This technology-intensive instrumentation and equipment for geophysical well logging using wireline, coil tubing and drill pipe provide for conducting all types of open-hole surveys and operations, performing well conduction and producing reservoirs monitoring during field development. Using state-of-the-art scientific research results, the company's specialists conduct operations for developing the next generation of geophysical equipment and instrumentation for meeting the complex of geological and processing challenges during fields exploration and development. The Unified Metrology Center ensures the high quality of the produced equipment and its compliance with the established standards. The company produces the well logging truck hoists and geophysical station of all the modifications with mechanical, hydraulic or electric type of round-trip equipment drive, which can be installed on trucks by Russian and foreign manufacturers. At this stage of field development, Bashneftegeofizika offers a complex of surveys aimed at obtaining a reliable information and involving the whole process of the field's development from the current well condition, oil field equipment and pipelines to environmental protection, labor protection and industrial safety. Hydrodynamical and tracer injection surveys and their interpretation allow prompt assessment of the development targets, energy state and hydrodynamic parameters of producing reservoirs, direction and velocity of filtration flows in the reservoir. In order to prevent emergencies at important oil products production and transportation facilities, the company performs equipment condition monitoring by non-destructive testing and technical diagnostics. Corrosion monitoring of oil field equipment and difficult well stock allows timely conducting the complex of activities aimed at corrosion severity mitigation. Physical, chemical analytical surveys of oil products, oil and gas provide necessary information for control and regulation of oil deposits depletion and compliance with the technology of enhanced oil recovery. The company implements and performs maintenance of installation for producing reservoirs, dual operation to provide for most efficient oil deposits development.
ecological monitoring of natural environmental locations conducted by our specialists guarantees the ecological balance in the areas of dynamic human economic activities.
The company's portfolio includes the implementation projects for major Russian companies such as ROSNEFT, Gazprom, Lukoil, Bashneft, Ritek.
Our potential allows conducting operations of any complexity in any world's location, significantly reducing the subsoil user's risks and increasing economic efficiency of exploration.
Bashneftegeofizika, time-proof geophysics.